In this video, we're going to be exploring our didgeridoo lineup. So first up, we have the Pocket Didgeridoo. This is how it sounds. So what you'll notice is that it has the shortest sustain, and the reason why is because it doesn't have too far to travel from the mouth hole and the exit. Next up is the Spiral Didgeridoo, which is actually one piece of wood that is hollowed, and the sound does actually have to go all the way around. So as you could imagine, with the exit being here and the vibrations having to travel so far, it would have a longer sustain. This is how it sounds. Finally, we're going to be looking at the Melaya Didgeridoo, which is a full-size instrument. This should have the largest sustain. This is how it sounds. So this one is the most compact, this one is the loudest, full-size instrument, and the Spiral Didgeridoo gives you the best of both worlds. Anyway, if you want to check out any of these instruments, I will put a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.